Good morning and welcome to Pilgrims of Hope. Welcome especially to those who are first-timers to the Manila Cathedral. Sino ba ang mga first-timer? Welcome po. Ha? My dear brothers and sisters, in both readings, the first reading and the Gospel, the name Elijah is mentioned. Elijah was one of the many prophets. And Elijah did not die. According to tradition, Elijah just went up to heaven in a fiery chariot. And they believe, the Jews believe, that since Elijah did not die, he's still alive, he will return again. And that is why for centuries, the Jewish people, have been waiting for the return of Elijah. But here's the problem. According to Jesus, Elijah has already returned, but they did not recognize him. That is the problem with many of us. We expect God to act according to our desire. We expect God to come according to our expectation. Kuminsan ang Diyos, tinutupad ang kanyang pangako sa paraang hindi natin inaasahan. Kaya tuloy kuminsan, lumalampas yung biyaya nang hindi natin nakita sapagkat umaasa tayo sa ibang pamamaraan. God often fulfills His promises in a way that we do not expect. Kaya dapat maging bukas ang ating puso at isip at mata nang sa ganon makita natin ang pagkilos ng Diyos maging sa paraang hindi natin inaasahan. Let's take the case also of Jesus. The people have been waiting for the Messiah. Until now, the Jewish people are waiting for the Messiah. But we Christians believe that the Messiah has come. Bakit? Bakit lumampas, no? Kasi people were thinking that the Messiah will come in a grandiose way. He will be born in a palace, coming from a family of known greatness. Jerusalem will probably be the site where the Messiah will be coming. And yet, where was Jesus born? In a cave. According to the tradition, in a manger, from couple that are from Nazareth. Simple couple. Lumampas no? Kasi inasahan nila dito dadaan. Dito dumaan. Ito ang mangyayari. Itong nangyari. Now, what is the lesson here? Again, I said earlier, buksan natin ang ating mga mata, ang ating mga puso at isip upang makita natin ang pagkilos ng Diyos sa paraang hindi natin inaasahan. Let us allow God to be God, and let us allow God to act according to His wishes. Amen.